Really, Chris? You're holding out on me, buddy?
Dude, don't show my truck.
They can't see nothing.
Oh.
What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Chris, how you doing, buddy? It's good to see you, man. It's good to see you in the intro of a video, not like swinging by after we've got a bunch of work done or something like that.
You know, some people gotta work.
Oh, work for it.
It's true.
I like it. As you guys know, we can't reveal it right now, right, Chris? What do you think?
No, not right now.
Wait a minute. Chris says don't reveal it. So Chris's truck's been gone for a while because he's been getting a lot of stuff color match that we've been talking about needing to get done for a long time, and he finally sacked up and did it. Right, buddy?
Yep, finally.
But first, before we reveal the truck, we're actually gonna take the truck, so you're gonna see it from the inside because nothing's color matched on the inside. We're gonna take the truck over to Preston's because I've been without my keys to my house, to the warehouse, to bunch of my other stuff, my mailbox, a bunch of stuff for a long time because they've been on my key ring on the old Ford that I left at Preston's, and I've been playing like musical keys with everybody long enough for the last like 3 or 4 days. I'm sick of it. Let's hop over there before they close. You ready, Chris?
Let's roll. It's my truck. I should drive it. My truck.
You know, you would think that, and like I could totally see where you're coming from.
Yeah.
But no. Oh, what the? Really?
Why'd you have to record that?
Really?
Nice. Whoa, take your shoes off.
Oh, I gotta take my shoes off?
Take your shoes off, Jesus Christ.
I didn't know we were in that part of the country. Or world, I guess. What's up?
Everybody has a work for it keychains, and I'm just wondering when I'm gonna get mine. I mean,
what, you already got one?
Yeah, this is for my work truck keys. I need one for my daily driver.
Oh, that's your daily driver. Get out of here, dude. The work truck is your daily driver. This is not your daily driver. All right, let's see. What are we at miles? 12,000. All right, when you hit 13,000 miles on this truck, I'll give you a work for a key tag.
Okay.
You know you're good buddies with Chris when you have your own preset in his truck.
Yours and Brandon's are the same, so.
What are you trying to say? Who's a better friend, me or Brandon? This is on camera. Who's better, me or Brandon?
You guys should fight for it.
No, Brandon's scary. I don't fight people with neck tattoos. Hey, should I see if I can set your check engine light off again?
No.
Hey Chris, that guy's got the color matched Black Widow package. Is that like what you just did?
Basically.
Same thing?
Same thing.
Oh, so we don't even have to look at yours.
Nah.
You like those fender flares, dude?
These are pretty sweet.
They're a little much, huh? Not my cup of tea for sure. He's got the Black Widow pack. Well, we know he paid about 20 grand too much for that truck. To me, if you're gonna have giant, like the biggest fender flares on the market, you should have wheels that stick out that need them. Hey Chris, we apparently we picked the one Saturday that Preston's is closed.
That's why you call first.
Are you open on Saturdays till 1 or not? Apparently not. They got a sign on the door that says they're closed this Saturday. Like I'm supposed to know that. The one Saturday I need to come get my keys. Dude, it's pretty bad when they
The Rhinos.
Yeah, what is
Big
that?
Is that tow rig?
Is that a Cowie? Terex? Dang, dude.
Might be bigger.
I think that's bigger than the Jeep Compass they're towing it with.
Surprise!
You
Surprise!
didn't tell me? What?
Yeah.
Dude, a nice bright yellow refrigerator, Chris?
Yeah. They got the wrong address though, man.
Oh, well, they left it by the dumpster because they probably thought you were gonna like wrap it or something, right?
Yep.
Wow, man. Thank you, buddy. I can't wait to go check it out. I'll give you $5 if you go open that refrigerator.
Okay.
There's straight up gonna be a body in this thing, watch. Dude. Oh, dude, this thing's pretty mint.
Hey, we should paint it.
It's already painted. What do you mean we should paint it? Dude, it's our color.
Teal.
Oh, you want to paint it teal?
Yeah.
This thing's nice. Right? Does it seal?
Bet you up. Bet you this thing works good too.
It's classic. A little rusty. The plug looks like it's burnt. Looks like it's only been outside for 10 years, you know? It's not bad. All right, let's get your truck in the warehouse and show everybody all the sweet work you did to it. Chris is hurting right now. He can't find the basketball. He has no clue where the basketball is. Where is it, buddy? Find it, Chris. Find it, Chris. Find it. Find it, Chris. Uh-oh. You're getting warmer. No, you're getting colder. Oh, you're getting warmer. Maybe. There it is. You got this, buddy. Get it. You have to redeem yourself for all the missed shots. Right there. There it is. Getting worse. Getting worse.
The dangling carrot that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but 2 cents. Shotgun riders too biased, they all liars. I should get an A for effort, I'm too tired. But I'm never giving up, that's why I'm kinda admired. Role model, like it or not, I gotta play it. Sugarcoat the rhyme sometimes, but still say it. Said I was quitting at 40 is just a fib. I'm still a kid that's wiping the food off of my bib. You ever wanted something so bad that you could taste?
Well, Chris, this has been a long time coming, huh, buddy?
It has.
So one thing that we struggle to find, I don't know if struggle, well, yeah, struggle is the word, is like a solid body shop that isn't overflowed with like insurance jobs that take forever, that seems organized, that, I don't know, I feel like people back east or in the Midwest have it really easy. They just seem to be a lot of like really high-end body shops out there that can like get you in and get you out, whereas we don't really have that luxury because, well, insurance shops really take the precedent and then they're stacked full. So I've been on Chris for a long time about getting this done, and he kept telling me, oh, well, we'll take it. They said they're busy. They said to call. They said to whatever. And it only took about, what, like 3 or 4 months before you could get this thing in, or more?
Yeah, pretty much.
So regardless, he took it in. He got it done, and this thing turned out absolutely killer. Now, before we go into this, let's just preface this. It's not complete yet, right, buddy?
No. There's still some things that he needs to fix. And wet sand, yeah.
All right, so Chris, go ahead, buddy. Give us a walkthrough of what you did to color match your truck here.
Well, let's start up with the front. What we did is he did the front grille gloss black to match the paint. We did all the red and bronze to match the rims. This idea, actually, you told me about.
Right.
And I didn't even tell the guy to do it. He called me up. He's like, hey, I want to paint these bronze. I was like, do it. Yeah.
It's a killer little feature on there, I gotta say. I feel like if you would have done that black, the grill would almost disappear too much.
Yeah.
So I think no, I'm definitely glad you ended up doing those in the bronze as well. That's a really nice feature there.
Go around the side. Did the mirrors, black. So all the chrome is now black. And all the red is bronze.
So Chris on here, he did the mirror caps. So if you guys see on my truck how like even the arms of the mirror are white, this takes a lot of work in like high build primer and sanding, because I don't know if you can tell, but this is textured. So in order to get rid of the texture, you have to build it up, sand it down, smoothen it before you even start to paint it. So that's what the process mine went with, and that's only because obviously I wanted these to be white. If you own a black truck, you can save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money by just doing the chrome caps that come on here. Now they do sell black caps that come on like the work truck edition, but they're like I don't know, it's almost like the plasticky matte black. It looks like a work truck edition. So to me, the best route is to do what Chris did here, and that is to have them painted the gloss black to match the truck, but you know, you don't necessarily have to black out the whole arms or any of that. And really, I mean, you're kind of saving yourself by not, in the fact that like rock chips on this is a lot harder to fix, or at least like probably a lot costlier to fix than on these caps, which can be removed and pretty easily prepped and painted.
So all the all-terrain badges, we did all black and bronze. So that used to be, inside here used to be red, all this was chrome. So I had them paint all that.
So basically all the bronze is to match the bronze wheels, which Chris didn't want to go with, remember? Remember when you didn't want to go with those?
I did want to go with it.
You didn't want to go with the bronze.
I did want to go. I just wanted to surprise everybody.
Oh, you wanted to surprise her? You acted like you didn't want to go with those.
That's true.
I'm starting to figure you out now.
All the handles are now black. This little trim, window trim, that's black as well.
I didn't even notice that. I completely forgot about that. Nice. Yeah, I need to end up doing this on mine.
Going around on the back, same. The GMC, bronze in the middle and black on the outside. Same with all terrain.
Nice. So it's kind of cool. So, well, this one's not as much, but if you guys can see, it's kind of textured the way these GMC logos are from the factory. And on the front, by the time they put the clear coat on there, it almost kind of leveled out over top of the texture. It's kind of a cool little look because it almost makes it look even more three-dimensional. Same with the all-terrain badge. Like seeing that back portion now in glossy, it really throws the light in different directions. So it's a pretty sweet look, but definitely helped to bring this truck all together. Oh, mean, it ties in with the Workport decal you got on the back window?
Nah. We're matching the rims, not the decal. Who cares about the decal?
Start peeling this thing. This is why you don't have a key tag, Chris. Start peeling this thing off. But no, this truck has come together. I know a lot of you guys are a big fan of Chris's truck. And this was kind of like that one finalized touch of really bringing it home in the color scheme. Still needs to do something with the mirrors. Chris, what's your plan with the reflectors in the mirrors or the amber turn signals?
I think I'm gonna do the same route you did. I don't know, I forgot what they're called. What are they called?
Switchbacks?
Yeah, switchbacks. I get those done in black. Some people were telling me about doing the tip of this bronze and maybe my my speed poles, but I don't know, I kind of like them all black. I don't want to put too much bronze on the truck.
Gotcha. Just little subtle features.
Yeah.
I don't even know the price of this, Chris. I know we've all been guessing. I haven't even asked you yet. I know it can't be cheap. You know, there's a lot of prep work that goes in, especially the grill. You know, none of this was gloss black. This is all gloss black. It was all prepped, painted. So that, the badges. Did he give you new badges, or did he just pull these off and then restuck them?
He pulled them off.
And then restuck them on?
Yeah.
Gotcha. So having to do all that with the badges, the mirror caps. Like I said, I'm guessing this isn't cheap, but you can see the finalized details and kind of how it really pulls your truck together. Chris, give us a price range on this.
Around $1,000 bucks.
$1,000?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
No, that's not bad.
I was expecting to pay a couple grand. But
I think we were guessing, what, 15 is what I was guessing.
Yeah, but $1,000 bucks wasn't bad.
So there you go, guys. For $1,000 bucks, you can just put that touch on your truck. And, you know, if you ask me, it's worth it. You know, back east, like I said, you could probably get it done cheaper. Out here, body shops are expensive, and they take forever, and they're a headache to work with. That's just how it always has been. But if you guys have a good body shop or you got a buddy that can do this, doing stuff like this is what sets your truck apart. So what's next for this thing, Chris? I see you staring at your springs down there. You think what I'm thinking?
Rattle can?
Yeah, I think we can get some Rust-Oleum in the bronze color. I don't know, man. I think those springs would look really cool in copper. I can see that being a real good look.
Yeah, eventually.
Or bronze, I should say. Bronze.
Yeah.
I heard there was a little challenge going down between...
oh, that's probably what the next model is. I think I want to do that E85.
Oh, we're going to E85 tune it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Before or after you race all the other guys? Because I heard there's going to be a big gasser race coming up.
Well, Wes and the other guy, what's his name?
Bryant.
Brian? No, it's Bryant.
Yeah, that's what he
Wes
said.
and Bryant, they need a race first.
No, three-way race.
No.
What? 253s versus 6.2. All E85 tuned.
I'll fucking cut them off.
You're gonna cut them off?
Yeah.
Push them into each other, make them crash, and you keep going?
Yep.
All right. Hey, man, what happens in Mexico stays in Mexico, right?
That's true.
All right, I can see that happening.
I would love to pro charge it.
Well, why don't we? It's only money, Chris.
It's true. It's only money.
Here, maybe if you hint at Pro Charger, hint, we can get you a Pro Charger sponsorship for this thing.
All right.
I think this thing would be sick if you supercharged it.
I don't know. Everything all blacked out. To me, it looks shorter.
The truck looks shorter?
Yeah, it does.
Like lower to the ground?
Yeah.
I didn't want to say nothing, but when I saw it yesterday, I thought the same thing.
Yeah.
But I was also driving away in my truck, so it's not really fair. But, so you're saying you want to go higher with the truck?
No.
No.
Lower, slam it to the ground, big old tires, or big old wheels. Yep.
Oh, dude, throw some of those new 30s on there?
Mm-hmm.
So me and Chris have been, well, Chris brought it up to me, and then I thought that sounds like a great idea. The JL Audio makes a sub that fits underneath the center console. So like we don't want to lose our back seat space. So we've been kind of in the market for, I was thinking, because supposedly the factory sub is in the center console or beneath it. I was thinking, well, then why don't we just replace that with a new one? And then I guess Chris found JL Audio makes one that fits in that spot. So, you know, we either one of us or both of us may be getting that soon. If any of you guys have it, let us know if it's worth the money. All right, Harlem Globetrotter, let's do a quick game of pig. You in? Or you mad?
Hold on a second.
What?
Everybody else is doing it. I gotta do it.
What are you gonna do? All right, Chris wants to see what his truck will look like on 40s. That seems to be the thing. I think I need to like stack the 40s over there so everybody stops freaking grabbing them and putting them on their car. That looks pretty sick, dude. I think we need to make that work. Looks like an RC car. Right? All right, we got your truck out of here, Chris. Let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. Game of pig. This is official. All right. rock, paper, scissors. Damn, you know. Why do you know I always go paper? All right, first shot for Chris. No, that's a miss. It's got to be a swoosh.
Swoosh. Off that.
Yep. Close. All right, Chris, it's got to hit the wall above the backboard. Make it in. Yeah. Wow! It's the same shot. Makes for a much less exciting game of pig, but sometimes you got to win it with the easy shots. You know what I'm saying? All right, Chris, this side has to be a swoosh. All right, it's got to be a swoosh. Oh! That's a PI. Chris, tell us, are you getting nervous? No? You got a PI, dude. I'd be getting nervous. All right, Chris, you got to go up underneath, through the basket, back down. You don't have to do it underhand, I don't care how you do it, but it's got to go underneath the Oh! Yeah! We are the champions. Maybe I should be shooting the basket for you guys instead of Chris every time about winning stuff for the channel. I was going to say now he makes it. All right, Chris, come on, redeem yourself right here. You got to make this shot. Let's go. There it is, buddy.
When's this me and Eddie versus you and Dave game going to happen?
Me and Dave are ready. So far as the record shows, me and Dave have won games of horse more than you have.
Call Eddie?
You want to FaceTime Eddie right now or call Eddie? All right, call Eddie. You guys may or may not remember, Eddie challenged, well, Eddie said him and Chris versus me and Dave in a game of what? What were we playing? Just regular basketball? Like, I don't know. I play horse, dude. I don't like run around and stuff like that, but all right, so.
When's this game going to happen, dude?
Let me know. I'm actually on the golf course right now golfing.
Oh.
Dude, look
you golf?
Yeah, you know, I got.
You didn't see the little baby set of clubs?
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I mean, we can go play some mini golf too if you want.
No.
I don't know, dude. It doesn't sound like he wants to anymore. Sounds like he's scared. He probably heard about.
Both you guys versus me. It's all right.
Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. All right, you gotta make a shot. Come on, buddy. There it is, right here. I feel it.
If I make the shot, you gotta give someone like a work for it pack, like shirt, hat, and a decal.
All right, you pay for it though.
How?
Because I've been giving away a bunch of free stuff on shots you're missing, so you pay for it.
Okay.
All right. This is for a work for it pack right here. Redeem yourself, Chris.
How much is all that stuff?
You got it.
I just got my truck painted, man.
You're going to the casino tonight. Make the money back, and then goodbye. All right, you guys. All right, right here. It's for you guys. Come on, buddy. Above the door.
Man.
Oh! There it is. There it is. Dang. I don't know why I'm high-fiving. Now you're giving away free stuff.
Well, whatever, man.
It's for the channel.
It's for the channel.
All right, guys. Well, with that, Chris, do not dribble the ball, damn it. With that, we're going to wrap up this video. You can thank Chris. One of you guys is going to be getting a, what are we going to call it? A work for it starter pack? Work for it starter pack. So, I guess, you know what? I'm going to pick the comment this time. You get to pick last video. I'm going to pick the comment on this one. And one of you guys is going to get a work for it starter pack. If I pick you, well, we'll figure out the details on that later. But regardless, with that, guys, we're going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed already, please what?
Subscribe.
Okay. Don't forget to give this video a
like,
aka a
thumbs up.
Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to
work for it.
You guys are the best. Catch you in the next video. I'm out. All right, behind the back, Chris. Dude, not even close. What was that? Just say it.
Okay, we'll get some paint.
Just say it.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.